What is up, everybody? In today's video, we're gonna be hot tent camping again, and yeah, we're gonna set up right here again, and we're gonna set up the 8-person hot tent and fit 4 people with 4 cots in it today. We finally got that big pile of firewood for this, cut them off short enough so they fit in the stove, and yeah, we'll be set. So I'm gonna start setting up the tent. Here's the tent. It's a Makito. Set it up right there. Okay guys, I'm gonna set up the cots now. Now, I'll set up the stove. There we go. Got it set up in here now. Now we'll set up sleeping bags and stuff like that. Alright guys, we're setting up the sleeping bag. What I do is I just put all that type of stuff just right in there. So the cooler goes right here. I got this new lantern that it hooks, but then it also blows air down onto everybody. Now, what else? Pillow, backpack with all my stuff. Put that under there. Dinkers for starting the fire, thick ones for overnight. Now I gotta go get some tinder. Not too much, but definitely enough to start a fire. This thing is quite large. Last one, the one Tigris one, could only fit 2 cots. So yeah, be aware it can only fit 2. This one, we fit 4. We can fit 1 right here, 2, 3, and then 4 in the middle. But I honestly like just having 2 or 3 in here, just so you can have the whole middle as space. But if you're really going to try hard, you could probably fit 5 or 6 cots in here. definitely 6 in here without the stove. But with the stove, I'm assuming max is probably 5, because you could go 1 right here, 1 by the door, 3, 4, 5, 6. But yeah, but without cots, this thing could probably fit 10 to 12 people, just right on the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Cabela's really soon to go get some minnows for tomorrow's fishing trip. We're going to Montissippi. It's a place in Monticello, Minnesota, on the Mississippi, and you just go right on the river and catch a bunch of these smallmouth. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. We're gonna try to catch some smallies. The plan was to sleep there, but it was too much work, so we're just sleeping over here at this place. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some minnows, probably get 5 or 7, 8, 10, 9 scoops. Yeah, gonna get a lot of scoops for that, and I'll see you guys once we get everyone in the hot tent. We're gonna try to get me, Minky, Jake, and Karsten again. So yeah, we'll see how that works. Okay guys, we're gonna start this fire now. This thing at the bottom. So do it by the fluke. And what you do is you take the grasses, put them in there, and then you take your sticks, put those in there. Okay, hopefully this lights. Oops. What is up, my homeboys? We're back out here. We got everybody. I forgot to record at Cabela's because we got kicked out 8 times. Shut up. It is absolutely roaring. It's like literally 300 degrees. We got some ramen cooking. And we're about to be eating good soon. So yeah. Like
it's getting pretty hot.
Don't be mad if I spill on you.
Oh! Dude, you're gonna spill on the table and it's gonna melt it.
Yummy Cheez-It water.
Oh! Cheez-It water.
You have a spoon, Seth? A Cheez-It chunk.
Seth, where are your stuff? Where are your utensils? You got the... You get the Cheez-It. Jake has to put 2 chips in no matter what, without looking at his
Are we doing green chips?
So black's the most. It goes by size. So you have the least amount of these. So it's worth
Dude, how's it going?
Yeah, but like, what's the buy?
175.
All right, guys, we're in bed. Trying to go to bed. We're watching the Timberwolves game. Well, yeah, we're going to bed. You can see it. Fire is roaring in our sleeping bags. Jake's right there. Carson's on the way end. We got the fan blowing down, so it blows down the nice hot air.
And I had grandkids. Figured it was time to get checked.
I'm trying to get one.
So yeah. We're gonna go to bed, and we're gonna see you guys in the morning. Good night. Guys, we're awake. Barely. I was actually awake the whole night, except for like 3 hours.
Yeah, that's what I felt like too.
Dude, I cannot fall asleep. Every time I fell asleep, I woke up 3 minutes later. Okay, guys, we're packing up.
Look at the ice down there.
See you at Mississippi. All right, boys, we're pulling up at Mississippi.
Oh, there's Carson's car.
Oh, Mississippi.
Look for crawfish. What is
Alrighty, look at this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook him straight into the mouth.
I'm gonna use my bait caster, guys.
I'm hooking it like a swim bait.
Can I use it? No. Why not?
Hook it like a swim bait. The deer walking through the water right now.
Backwards, Ben. Ben, walk backwards.
Okay. Grab the fish.
Lift it, lift it, lift it. Oh.
Grab it by the lip. Grab it by the lip. Ben, keep busy.
Oh yeah, so I need another minnow. That's it. Give me a picture of that.
Dude, that fish, it keeps going to the...
Hey, give me a picture
Oh,
of
it's
that
gonna
one.
slip out. The one fish is gonna slip out.
Oh shit.
They both keep going to the exact same
That's
spot.
gonna jump over. I know that fish is gonna jump over.
Oh my god, yeah, he's trying. I'll go in the back or the lip?
I have the lip.
Lips, both lips, that's what I do.
That one is like spotted.
Yeah. It might be a spotted bass.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a nice one.
Mickey, put a rock underneath, put a rock underneath that rock because he keeps shoving his head in there. Yeah, both their heads are shoved in it right now.
They're not gonna get.
Oh yeah, but he's like sideways in there.
Oh, that guy's going to jump out.
Once he calms down, then he'll be fine to see. He keeps going right back to that same spot. Alright guys, we're out here fishing. I put a white and pink jig head on.
Remember to bring the towel.
So, see, hopefully stuff bites it.
Yeah. Apart from the live well,
Oh, I got one. Yeah, I got one.
live well. There we go, Sad. Why are they only eat middle?
That's a new
Wait, let me see it.
Here, Jake, watch out. He's gonna swim under your line. Jacob. I don't want him to hit a rock and come off.
There we go. Put on the live well.
That's a bigger one than us. Alright, time to see if.
Oh!
Dude, don't drop the pin.
Yeah, bro.
Did I just hear his skull hit the rock?
Yes. He popped off. Okay, so we take a picture for fish brain.
Here we go.
Definitely wish I did now. Definitely missed him right out. Over this rock.
Alright, you guys. Here at the fire. Warming my hand sack up. Guys, I just got this rock bass. I was eyeballing him down. We're thinking of eating him. There's fish everywhere. Are we actually gonna eat this rock bass?
I'm gonna eat something if I can eat it.
Where is it?
Rock bass. We found the spot. We found this little tree bent over. We already caught 3 rock bass and a smallmouth in here.
It's real.
Dude, I'm shaking because how cold I am. Because that rock. Where?
Rock bass right there, you see him?
No, I don't.
Oh, he said, oh.
Oh, those ones?
Yeah.
Oh, what just ate mine? Ready? Ready?
Don't hook that hard.
Got him.
Yes.
Nice.
More food, more food. This guy's huge. Wait, are these the supposed crappie that we thought were crappies? Okay, guys, we got a fish. Let's see what it is. Oh!
Oh, that's actually good.
Nice one. You want me to grab it or? You got it?
That's not bad. Okay, it's only catch and release her now.
We're gonna soldier boy that.
Oh, I got one. Big one. Oh, that was a crappie.
No, Ben comes up to me and goes, man, he's a retard. He threw his
Oh, frick. Where's it? Get it.
It's fishing here.
Got him.
Oh, that's the one we saw.
Yeah, somebody ripped its guts out, or ripped his gills out. Yeah, this is bigger than the one I even caught last time. Oh, he's just kicked a little bit.
I'm just slowly drag it in. Magnus, get out of there.
Oh, he almost took it. Oh, he's taking it. Oh, I ripped it way too hard. Oh my gosh. Do you just see that? A giant crappie just tried to eat my bait, but got scared and swam back under. Yeah, tell he was ripping it away. Yes! Oh, Magnus. I got.
No shot, just choke. I had a huge crappie bite it.
You don't have anything on there, man.
Dude,
This is bigger than my rock bass I caught today.
you get what'd you get?
Or my smallmouth. A giant rock.
There's a bunch out here. Open your own mouth, open your own mouth.
Why is catching panfish more fun than catching smallmouth? Dude, how many
So many crappie right here.
catch them? I think we caught the whole population of. I think we caught all the rock bass. All the big ones camp under. Good enough. It's a little outwards.
Probably.
Look at our wet marks.
I'm not wet, I'm dry. I'm very wet. I peed my pants.
I'm gonna put this boy on the pot.
Nope.
Why not? That was raw, the piece that you just put in your mouth. It was still like translucent.
Break my fish.
This man has a face for radio.
I think you should just slap the thing on a rock.
Yeah, you could cook it on the rock really clean.
Yeah, it is still floppy, and that's not good. Dude, there's still blood in it right there. Look at how beautiful this Mississippi River
No,
is.
you should see. You should have been here at 6:30, dude. Sunset was actually so nice. Like actually,
Sunrise. Hey guys, we just had to climb up this.
Magnus is a faggot, dude.
It was really high.
Man, you gotta set this up to make you look silly.
Alright guys, we're back in here. We have Magnus. So we're gonna go to bed here soon. Because we're all tired because we got like 3 hours of sleep yesterday.
No, that's just you. I got a lot of sleep. So did Meg.
I went to bed at 11:30.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm awake, but I'm gonna go get ready for church. Yeah, I'm gonna go shower quick. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, got the hot tent put away and we're ready to leave. Hot tent was like 16 foot inside. It was so large. It was great. Kept us all blazing heat because we got like 100 degrees in there overnight and we were just dying. So yeah, we had to cut off the fire. So yeah, we were dead. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe.